Okay, back with the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe. Set up to clean the upholstery. I have the little upholstery tool on it. This is what I'm going to use because I like how it has the suction. So, this is what we're going to... Oh, I guess we can spray water now. Woo. Anyways. So I'm going to turn it on and we're going to clean this and see how dirty it is because I'm pretty sure it's going to be pretty dirty. Spray it down. Yeah, that water looks like it has the potential to be dirty. Gotta switch hands. My right hand's my dominant. it sucks up the water. That's all I have to say. Oh, there's upholstery, so it's going to be a little more wet than the carpet would be. But, see, it has amazing texture. I love it. Ooh, time for this. This is going to be fun. For all the birds. To make it so I could see what I was doing with the camera. You know how cool it would be if this had force heat too? It would dry the upholstery like in no time. Alright, over this side. Shove it real good. Yeah, that's dirty water. As for cloth upholstery, it catches more dirt because you're sweating when you sit on it. The animals sweat, they come in and they lay on it, get it all dirty. So it sticks to, this is stuff that can't be vacuumed out. The grime and the dirt that sticks to it. Yep, gotta push it back a little. Alright. I moved it so we can have better lighting. best Hoover product I have used ever. This is, if you need a carpet cleaner, you need to get this carpet cleaner. It is the best. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe. $200, and it can take all your worries about cleaning the carpet away because it's that good. So way to go, Hoover. This is way better than your dual power. We gotta do some work on that dual power. I'll make it work for you. I'll make it better. Light. There we go. My house doesn't have the best lighting. I'm sorry.